Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our first lecture from our course on social media images. I've created for you a small introduction to the course so you can understand better the benefits that you will get out of this course and why it's important to be very careful with your images in social media and what type of impact can they have into your business. Now let's dive in with the information. Exactly as I've told you before, we need to focus on why is this so important for you to use very good social media images to engage your audience and to have a very good impact overall on your business. Now, the first thing that I would underline is that images increase your conversions in social media with even more than 150% compared to text posts. That is absolutely huge. You can just think about it like this: if you have an income out of a business by using social media of up to $1,000 per month, this can increase your income to $2,500 per month. So this is the actual impact that this can have over your business, into your actual business. Now, another thing that it's very important to keep in mind is that images help you engage your audience a lot. It has been proven before that the first thing, for example, the first thing that people look at when they see an ad on Facebook is the image. That will make them click on your ad, and after that, some of the people that see the ad will actually read the text, but most of them will click on your ad because of the image. Now, as you know already, an image worth 1,000 words, and the message you send is much stronger when you use an image. Okay, why? Because images are emotional and they have a much higher impact over your audience. Okay. And the last thing that I would underline, though there are many other important things related to images, I thought that these four of them are the ones that have the greatest impact in the beginning when starting to use properly images in your social media campaigns and marketing. The last one that I would underline and point out is that images helps with your online branding, even if it's for a business. Okay, even if it's for personal branding, it's keeping a sense of unity and flow. People can recognize better your personal style. That if you will use a certain personal style, which is called brand system for recognition. Okay, and practically that means to use the same colors all the time, to use a logo and other stuff like that. But images help a lot to keep a sense of unity of your brand and to make people recognize you much better. That was all, guys. I thank you for your attention. You know already that you are awesome, and I will see you guys in the next lecture where we will talk a little bit about the structure of this course. Thank you, and I send you my best wishes. Sorin Constantin here. Hello everybody, Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture from our course on social media images. And in this lecture we will talk about the structure of this course and exactly which are the topics that we will cover and which are the tools that you will see and what you will actually learn in this course. So first of all, in the first part of the course you will see tools that will help you create, resize and enhance your images for social media. That means that you will use your own images, for example, maybe a photo of yourself to create a profile image, or something that you want to post on your wall on Facebook, or something that you want to tweet on Twitter, or if you want to use maybe as a brand or a profile photo or cover photo for your LinkedIn profile. So we will actually use more some of your own images to create them, to resize them to the proper sizes so that that your audience sees them correctly, and to enhance them for using them on your social accounts. Now in the second part we will see tools, and you will actually learn about tools that allow you to use templates, different backgrounds and graphics to create more professional looking images. You will see that we have a couple of very good alternatives online that you can fastly use, have proven to convert templates, different types of graphics, icons and backgrounds that will create amazing images for your social media accounts. Then in the third part we will talk about tools that allow you to create viral images like quotes images. I think that everybody has seen that lately there are a lot of there is like a trend, okay, in using viral images with quotes. And for example, if you are in the personal development niche, if you are a trainer, if you are a coach, this can be very helpful. Also, if you are in network marketing, these are just a couple of examples of businesses or jobs, okay, in which you can be involved, and in which this type of tools can help you a lot, because people are into this type of images, and this can create virality for your brand and for your business, and that means more exposure and overall more revenue for your business. And in the fourth part, obviously, we'll talk about other tools that can be very interesting for your image creation, okay, different tools that you can use. And also in time I will add more lectures to this course. I will update the course, and I will also add bonus lectures for you guys, surprises that I know you will love along the way. Thank you for your attention. You know that you are awesome. I will see you guys in the next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Till then, sorry in here. Bye bye.